Hey everyone! If you're here, chances are you're having trouble with your Wi-Fi. We've all been there. Slow speeds, constant disconnects, or no connection at all. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 tried and true methods to resolve Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your router and modem. Our first method is the simplest, but often the most effective. Restarting your router and modem. These devices can sometimes get bogged down with tasks, and a restart can help clear things up. First, locate your router and modem. Unplug both devices from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute to let them cool down and reset. Then, plug them back in, starting with the modem. Give it a couple of minutes to fully power up, and then plug in the router. This can help resolve temporary glitches and refresh your network connection. Once everything is powered back on, check your devices to see if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved. If not, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Check for interference and optimize placement. Next up is checking for interference and optimizing your router's placement. Wi-Fi signals can be obstructed by physical barriers and electronic devices. Place your router in a central location, ideally elevated and free from obstructions like walls, metal objects, or large appliances. Keep it away from other electronic devices such as microwaves, cordless phones, and baby monitors, as these can cause interference. You can also use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to see which channels are congested and switch your router to a less crowded channel. This can improve the signal strength and reduce interference. Method 3. Update router firmware and network drivers. Our third method involves updating your router's firmware and your device's network drivers. Manufacturers often release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. For updating network drivers, go to the Device Manager on your computer. Expand the Network Adapters section, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. You can choose to search automatically for updated driver software. Keeping these updated ensures that your devices are running optimally. Method 4. Change Wi-Fi settings. SSID, password, channel. Sometimes, changing your Wi-Fi settings can make a big difference. This includes updating your SSID, network name, password, and Wi-Fi channel. Log into your router's admin panel again. Navigate to the wireless settings section. Here, you can change your SSID and password to something more unique, which can help prevent interference from nearby networks. Next, look for the channel settings. Most routers are set to auto-select a channel, but you can manually choose a less congested channel using a Wi-Fi analyzer app as mentioned earlier. This can significantly reduce interference and improve your connection stability. Method 5. Contact your ISP and consider upgrading your equipment. If none of the previous methods have resolved your issues, it might be time to contact your internet service provider, ISP. There could be an issue on their end that they need to address. Give them a call and explain your situation. They might perform a remote diagnostic test or send a technician to your location. Additionally, if you're using an old router or modem, consider upgrading to a newer model. Modern devices come with improved technology that offers better performance and stability. Look for routers with dual band or tri-band capabilities for better speed and coverage. And there you have it, 5 methods to help you resolve Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Let's quickly recap. Restart your router and modem. Check for interference and optimize placement. Update router firmware and network drivers. Change Wi-Fi settings like SSID, password, and channel. Contact your ISP and consider upgrading your equipment. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other methods that work for you, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.